Hello everybody. If you have a motorized shade, this one happens to be a Select Blinds brand. Looks like this on the end. And you want to take the roller off. Let me show you how to do it. Firstly, there are two screws on the end plate. I've already moved the two screws on this end, which is the end opposite the charging port. So down here on this end. And you want to gently pry this end cap off. So I used a very fine screwdriver, and you need to pry it off very gently because you don't want to break some of these little plastic nubs that are here. So there are 3 of them on this particular design. This end plate will come off after you've removed the 2 screws. So this plate will come off after you remove the 2 screws right here, which I've already done. And then it's simply a matter of depressing this pin as far in as you can, and when you do that, you'll be able to lift this end of the roller up, and the other end will come out as well. So you're just depressing this pin, and the roller will release. You'll be able to lift the roller up and slide it out from that end. So that's how you do it. If you found this video informative or helpful, please give me a like, thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.